In this video, we are going to install iZeeker 4K Dashcam. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Three-inch IPS screen. Camera records at 4K with a field of view of 170 degrees. On one side, you have your included 32 gig SD card. The card slot supports up to 256 gigs. You have your power and record button, your menu and up button, audio and down button, and your OK and emergency record button. On the top, you have your slot for your suction cup mount, USB-C interface, and your reserve interface. On the bottom is where you have your mic and your reset button. You want to use your included pin if you need to reset the unit. USB-C data cable, a trim tool, your suction mount, USB-C 12-volt power adapter with an extra USB port, quick instruction guide, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. First, you want to clean the area where you want to mount your dash cam. Then go ahead and peel off the backing. Make sure you're in the unlocked position. Go ahead and mount it and then lock it into place. For this dash cam, I'm going to go ahead and use this power adapter, which provides an additional USB here. I just plug it to the rear of my mirror. Just go ahead and plug in the provided USB-C cable, and this goes to your dash cam. Or you can use the provided 12-volt cigarette plug adapter. Let's go ahead and go through the setup process. We're going to go ahead and select English. We're going to go ahead and set the date and time. We're going to go ahead and format the SD card. And there's your home screen. Let's go ahead and set up the menu. Here's setup. We're going to go into camera settings. You can select your resolution. You can record at 4K 30 frames per second, 2K 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 frames per second, or 1080 at 30 frames per second. We're going to leave it at 4K 30 frames per second. I'm going to select that. That's the highest resolution. You have your image size up to 16 megapixels. This is your photo. So you can take pictures with 16 megapixels, 12, 8, or 4 megapixels. I'm going to choose the highest resolution of 16. We have loop recording. The newest video would automatically overwrite the oldest and unlocked video when the micro SD card is full. You have image rotation. That flips the image 180 degrees if your camera is installed upside down. You can turn off or on your audio. Next, you have your G-sensor setting. G-sensor detects the collision during driving. The video will be saved separately and will not automatically be deleted. Parking monitor. Put your car under protection 24/7 when used with the hardwire kit. If your car gets hit, the camera will automatically turn on, record a video, and save the video as evidence. WDR. It can well solve the contrast of light sources and improve the quality of the images. You can adjust your exposure, making your images brighter or darker. And you can change your encoding format depending on what country you're in. Next, we're going to go ahead and go into system settings. We can format our SD card. We're gonna go ahead and do that. You have your auto power off feature. So when the camera stops recording, it will turn off in 30 seconds, a minute, or 2 minutes. You have your screensaver. Display will go off by setting the screensaver, but the camera will still be recording. You have your beep sound. Turns the sound on or off each time the button is pressed. You have your boot sound. The sound starting up can be turned on or off. Supports multiple language. We're gonna set it at English. You can change the frequency depending on your country. Adjust your date and time. Turn on or off date stamp, which is embedded on the video. You can add the license plate of your vehicle, and you can stamp that on the video itself. You can reset to default settings, and it shows you what version you have. You have your mode selection, video, photo. We're gonna go into playback. This shows your emergency recording files. We have your normal recording files and your photo files. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.